The SAP HCM Payroll for SAP S/4HANA exam has changed. Instead of traditional multiple-choice questions, you'll now face AI-driven role plays that test your ability to handle real payroll scenarios. Many candidates know the theory but struggle to apply it when solving business problems under pressure. In this video, you'll practice realistic SAP payroll scenarios and learn the problem-solving approach expected in the new performance-based exam. This certification is designed for SAP consultants, SAP business users, and SAP support consultants involved in payroll operations. Now, let's experience the type of challenge you may encounter in the exam. Let's begin. Scenario 1. Payroll run. Failure before salary release. AI stakeholder. We are preparing monthly payroll for 8,000 employees. The payroll run has stopped because several employees are generating calculation errors. Management wants payroll released today. How would you handle this situation? Candidate response. First, I would identify the payroll logs and error messages generated during the payroll run. I would classify errors by category: missing master data, invalid wage types, time management, inconsistencies, organizational assignment issues. Next, I would determine whether the errors affect all employees or only specific employee groups. Using Payroll Control Center and payroll logs, I would analyze root causes and prioritize critical corrections. After corrections are completed, I would execute a payroll simulation before rerunning payroll. Finally, I would validate results and proceed with payroll release. AI stakeholder. Follow-up: why not release payroll immediately for unaffected employees? Candidate response: because payroll accuracy and compliance are critical. Releasing payroll without validating upstream errors could create inconsistencies in taxation, deductions, retroactive calculations, and statutory reporting. A controlled validation process reduces business risk and ensures payroll integrity. Scenario 2. Incorrect overtime payments. AI stakeholder. Employees are complaining that overtime payments appear lower than expected. How would you investigate? Candidate response. I would begin by verifying recorded attendance data, approved overtime records, time evaluation results, relevant overtime wage types. Next, I would review payroll calculation results to confirm how overtime hours are being processed. I would compare expected overtime hours, calculated overtime amounts, wage type configuration rules. If discrepancies exist, I would investigate whether payroll schema rules or wage type assignments are causing incorrect calculations. After identifying the root cause, I would test corrections using payroll simulation before moving changes into production. AI stakeholder. Follow-up. What business impact could occur if this issue remains unresolved? Candidate response. Potential impacts include employee dissatisfaction, payroll disputes, compliance risks, increased HR workload, loss of trust in payroll processes. Accurate overtime calculations are essential for both compliance and employee confidence. If you're preparing for the new SAP exam simulation format, practicing realistic scenarios is critical. Platforms such as CertsHero.com provide SAP hands-on practice, AI role-plays, flashcards, mock exams, and SAP scenario-based questions designed around the latest exam format. Now let's continue with another scenario. Scenario 3. New payroll process. After SAP S/4HANA migration. AI stakeholder, our company recently migrated to SAP S/4HANA. Payroll processing takes significantly longer than before. Management wants improvements. What would you do? Candidate response. I would perform a structured assessment covering payroll process design, batch execution schedules, data volume analysis, system performance metrics, payroll job dependencies. I would identify bottlenecks affecting execution time and review whether historical payroll data, integrations, or custom developments contribute to delays. Next, I would collaborate with functional and technical teams to optimize processing and validate improvements through controlled testing. AI stakeholder. Follow-up. How would you present findings to management? Candidate response. I would provide current performance metrics, root cause analysis, business impact assessment, recommended improvements, estimated implementation timeline. This allows management to make informed decisions based on measurable outcomes. Scenario 4. Payroll audit and compliance review AI stakeholder. External auditors have requested payroll records and compliance evidence. How would you prepare? Candidate response. I would first identify audit scope and required documentation. Then I would gather payroll processing reports, wage type records, employee payment data, authorization logs, payroll control documentation. I would verify consistency between payroll calculations and business policies. Any discrepancies would be investigated and documented before audit review. AI stakeholder follow-up. What is the biggest risk during payroll audits? Candidate response. Incomplete documentation. Even when payroll calculations are correct, missing evidence can create compliance concerns and increase audit findings. Maintaining traceability and process transparency is essential. Today you practiced 4 exam scenarios. These are the same types of tasks and stakeholder conversations you'll face in the new AI role-play exam format. For more SAP exam simulations, AI role-plays, flashcards, and mock exams, visit CertsHero.com. You can also explore our SAP certification playlist for more scenario-based practice and exam preparation. Keep practicing. Keep solving real business problems. The goal isn't just to pass the exam, it's to think like an SAP consultant. See you in the next video.